This may look like a standard conference room in the TPS Education Service Center, but it is actually an entrance into the Twilight Zone.
Surreal, yes, I would agree.
Board members Elena Ashley and Dr. Janetti Marshall would normally be in an executive session meeting that's off limits to the public. But instead, they were downstairs with the public since the meeting was about the lawsuit they have against the district.
Nobody wants to admit that they violated policy, they violated the law.
The lawsuit stems from who knew what and when and the actions thereafter regarding the departure of former Superintendent Gist.
Board President Woolley and Deborah Gist both acknowledged that there had been a conversation 2 weeks prior to coming to me.
The whole board wasn't really involved, that a lot of decisions were made behind closed doors.
Attorney Maria Seidler represents Dr. Marshall and Miss Ashley in the lawsuit, alleging the Open Meetings Act was violated by keeping things that should have been public behind closed doors.
A lot of decisions had been made, right? We were going to go with an interim superintendent. It was going to be Johnson. We're not going to have a national search.
Adding another twist to the story, that Seidler wants to call TPS's attorney as a witness in the case, which opens up a whole nother can of worms.
We have filed a motion to ask the court to disqualify the law firm from participating as a lawyer in this case so that we can use them as witnesses.
The executive session lasted for 2 hours with the decision to move forward with the case. As for resolving it sooner,
there needs to be an acknowledgement of, yes, this is what happened.
They would also like Board President Woolley to step down.
Step down off the board.
Woolley's position on stepping down?
They have made us aware of it, but I think I would just stick with the whole, no comment just because we have ongoing litigation.
The case of a school board in a lawsuit with itself.
It's amazing that we're at this point.
We need to know that we can trust our board.